Okay guys, sekulungile. So ngicela siqale ngale part number 3 yo calculate income tax. La kumele senze khona the tax computation before ngikhombise i-calculation ye deferred tax. So before ngikhombise i-calculation ye deferred tax. Okay, kodwa futhi nakhona kuzomele vele siqale lapha ya kuma financial statement, we extract ama financial statement okwi financial position and i-profit or loss. So asiqale senze extract because angithi ukuze senze i-tax computation kuzomele siqale sithole the correct profit before tax. And ukuze sithole i-profit before tax correct kumele senze the extract from the income statement. So extract an income statement yethu la. So this is the income statement ka Dream T Limited. So Dream T Limited. So this is an extract of a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended. The nyaka wethu uphela 31st December, if I'm not mistaken, 31st December 2021. 31st December 2021. So this is the extract income statement. So ngithi yakhumbula ukuthi la question sinikeziwe. So we question sinikeziwe lapha ya profit bathi additional information. Profit before tax. So profit before taking the leases into account is 650,000 for the year ended 31st December 2021. So no 650 profit singakawenza ama adjustments nakhuza singakawenza ama adjustments ama lease. So now uzomele ke nakhuza income statement yethu siyo correct le ya profit before tax. So sizoqala nge profit before tax and items. So profit before tax. So profit before tax ibeka nakhuza ka 650,000. Angithi yakhumbula le profit uma bethi before ama adjustment ama leases kusho ukuthi lama transaction ama lease awanayo effect le profit le ya. So thina sekumele senze ke ama entries are relevant njengoba sesenzile ama lease, especially ngoba sesinayo i-amortization table yethu. So sine amortization table lesiyenzile la. So angithi unyaka esifocusa kona kubalekile ukuthi si-check ukuthi unyaka esifocusa kona imuphi. So ilo engo-highlightayo 2021. So leminye iminyaka asinendaba nayo. So nanke unyaka esifocuse kuwona. So kulo nyaka lo sine interest. Yes.
Angisiboni mina screen angazi noma abanye babona yini.
Okay, iscreen siyavela kwabanye?
Yebo, akaphuma phinda angene nami sengenze njalo.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ngiyabona.
Usibona yes. Okay. So i-focus yethu ilapha yana kuye ka 2021 ngoba yena simenzela ukuthi income statement yethu ngonyaka ophele ngo-2021. So kusho ukuthi ama amounts esiwasebenzisa uku-adjusta le formula ama amounts ka 2021. So we ignore 2022 because iminyaka le singakofiki kuyona. So senza unyaka sibona ukuthi yakhumbula ukuthi uma senza income statement we apply matching principle. So into soyenza ke nala ukuthi si-apply the matching principle. Kodwa futhi into engicabangayo ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuba sibhale ngama journal entries bekuzoba lula, but so now it's fine. So wenza now sisale sesonke kwala. So kule profit ke guys sine interest, i-finance cost le i-interest, finance cost is an interest. So le interest le kumele siyenze njani kwi-PPT? Siyayi-add interest noma siyayi-deduct? Mase income statement ama interest siwenze njani? Siyawa-minus noma
Siyawa-add.
ama interest expense. Interest angithi ithina ngoba silizi i-asset nje we are being charged the interest nakhuza ka 41,359 lo wanyaka ka 2021. So this interest is unfavorable, ithina esichargewayo. So i-expense le interest le. So ama expenses ayenzani, profit ayi decrease angithi. So sizoza la ku profit before tax sino finance cost. So finance cost le interest ka 2021. So we deduct 41,359. So we minus the interest. And then Okay, so sesiqedile nge-interest. Sinenye futhi i-lease yesibili le ekuthiwa i-operating lease, of which besingakangeni kuyona, and ayikho into engako esiyenzayo for i-operating lease. So i-operating lease ukuthi check ukuthi how much are we paying for the lease of i-asset esilakhuze sibolekile. So we leased i-vehicle for 3 years. I-lease iqala nini? Iqala ngomhla ka-1 July 2021 izophela unyaka wethu uphela ngoDisemba. So kusho ukuthi le nakhuza le asset isilize for how many months during the current year ka-2021? So silize for 6 months because unyaka uphela ngoDisemba. So uma siqala ukuyisebenzisa noma ukuyiliza from July unyaka uphela ngoDisemba. So kusho ukuthi we're gonna account for ama-payments ka-6 months esiwenzile, and every month the monthly lease installment or payment payable in areas at the end of the month is 3.6. So I mean it's 3.5. So the 3.5 i-amount esikhokhela le vehicle esilizile every month. So thina into esiyenzayo la kuma-operating lease si-accounta for inakhuza ama-payments esiwenzile kwi-lease nakhuza unyaka lo esinakhuza sikuwona. So kusho ukuthi kulo nyaka esikuwona asikwazi ukuthi lo 3.5 2 times ngo-12 because le vehicle ngo-2021 sisebenzise for 6 months. So ama-payments lawo esiwenzayo ayi-expense. So sizothatha inakhuza i-lease expense ka-6 months. So lease expense, so 6 months times 3.5. So if besisebenzisa unyaka wonke bekuzoba 12 months times, kusho bese sokhokha 12 months lo labo 3.5. So bekuzoba 12 months times 3.5, but asisebenzisa unyaka wonke. Then mhlawumbe ngo-2022 so besisebenzisa unyaka wonke. So ngo-2022 lease expense from operating lease uzobe usufaka egcwele unyaka wonke because uzobe unyaka wonke ngo-2022. But la ku-2021 le asset isebenze only 6 months. So we're gonna take le portion yenyanga eyisebenzile. So kuphuma bani-ke lo?
21,000.
Kuphuma 21,000.
Yes.
21,000. Okay, kumenye into-ke ekumele siyazi. I-operating lease angithi sithena isuke i-ownership ingekho transferred to us as ama-lessee. So there's no need ukuthi unakhuza operating lease ucalculate depreciation. But lapha kwi-finance lease, lana i-finance lease kusofa i-asset esingaphansi kwakho because lo 6 years wena ozobe uyi-controller uyi-utilize leyo asset. Uzuyibuyisele back mase kuphela i-term. So iya-depreciate-ke ama-assets lawo esisuke sinawo ama-finance lease aya-depreciate because i-ownership laphayana sisuke sinayo over i-asset for le period esisuke siyilizile. So siyazi ukuthi ama-assets esebenza aya-depreciate. So nathi-ke lana silindeleke ukuthi si-calculate i-depreciation yale machinery le esilizile. So kumele sibuyele back-ke siyothola ukuthi i-depreciation si-calculator kanjani. So the depreciation. So lokho sizokuthola kwi-question I think esinikeziwe useful life. Or enye into ekuzomele siyithole kuzomele sithole the rights okay sizoyichaza zonke lezo zinto asiqale sifunde information ekhuluma nge-depreciation. So depreciation nakhe lapha. So ngoqala la iqale Dream Pty Limited is a small manufacturing company. On the 1st of December 2020, Dream T entered a non-cancelable finance lease in respect of a manufacturing machine with a useful life of 10 years. So sesiyazi ukuthi le machine in a useful life ka 10 years. Okusho ukuthi izo depreciate over a period of 10 years. Okay, so izo depreciate over 10 years. Then kuzomele si-calculate angithi yakhumbula la kwi-amortization table. So kwi-amortization table sino 350,945. So this is a lease liability. So uma udepreciate i-asset esilizile awusebenzisi i-lease liability but ucalculate lento esibiza nge-right of use of i-asset. So ukuze sibe ne-right yokusebenzisa le-asset le imaphi ama-amounts ekudingakale ukuthi siwakhokhe for the assets. So ilokho-ke esikunakhuza ilokho esikucheckayo ukuthi imaphi ama-amounts esiwa-incurishile ukuze sikwazi ukusebenzisa the assets. Angithi yakhumbula masibuyela back kwi-question ukuthi there was a non-refundable deposit esikhokhile e-100,000. So 100,000 bese ukhokhela ukuthi sithole the right of using i-asset. Kwangagcina ngokuthi sikhokhe 100,000 but again ngoba namanye ama-indirect cost esiwakhokhile so that we obtain the right of use of using the asset oku-60,000 lawo ma-cost. Kwangagcina lapho kwaphinde kwaba ne-amount-ke le esizoyikhokha na lease liability le esizoyikhokha over the lease term ka 6 years kuze kufike kwi-residual value like sisalelwe value ka 50,000. So kusho ukuthi kumele siqale sitholeke the right of use of the assets. So right of use of the assets. So uma ucalculate the right of use of the asset u-add wonke lama amounts owa-encourage obekunecessary ukuthi uwa-encourage so that uzo-obtain the right of using the asset, including ama-deposit and indirect cost. So rights of use of assets. So we said ukuze sibe ne-right yokusebenzisa the asset, the machinery released asset, kumele sikhokhe the deposit, initial deposit. So bekumele sikhokhe the deposit, sa-encourage ama-direct cost. Then bese kuba ne-lease liability le esiyikhokha-ke ngama-installment over a period of 6 years. So the lease liability. Uma we-add zonke-ke lezi i-deposit yethu beku-100,000, direct cost beku-60,000, then i-lease liability ileya bese calculate ilizolo at 359,645. So mase i-add zonke-ke lezi sithola how much? So lena kuza le amount-ke noma le total ethola la iyona esi-attach-a kwi-asset as i-cost of i-asset le esigcine sikwazile ukuthola i-right yokuyisebenzisa. So kufana le mali ethola la ifana ne-cost price ye-asset-ke. So umuthi 100 plus 60 plus 359,645, how much are you getting?
519,645.
519,645. So ngamanye amazwi-ke le asset this machine esilizile esine ownership yayo for those 6 years. So over those 6 years we have to depreciate it, and i-cost isiyonke esi-encouragile for using machine lo esimlizile it's 519,645, which means uma si-depreciator sizosebenzisa u-519,645. Now khona into ekumele ngiyichazeke regarding the useful life and lease term. So uma uzocalculate i-depreciation usunayo isi-right use of i-assets ukuthi okay sizosebenzisa this total uku-depreciate this assets. Then sine-useful life kade sifunda u-10 years. So useful life 10 years, i-lease term iwu-6 years. So now uma si-depreciate le asset sizosebenzisa yiphi ngaphuzu iminyaka la 10 years over 6 or 6 years. Then the principle ithi between the useful life and the lease term you always use the shorter. So the shorter period yona oyisebenzisa. So kuzokwenza ithola ukuthi useful life yakho if iwu 4 years and the lease term iwu 6 years. You uma depreciate asset you're going to use the useful life because yona izobe shorter than 6 years. If kuwukuthi i-useful life iwu 10 years and the lease term iwu 6 years, uma depreciate asset yakho you depreciate over the period ka 6 years. So the principle is uma depreciate i-asset oyilizile under finance lease you use the shorter period between the useful life and in this term.
Yes.
Okay, so last sizosebenzisa baningi calculator i-depreciation.
6 years.
So we divide by 6 years, the shorter period. 6 years. But ungaclaim ukuthi uhlezi udivide useful life. You depend ukuthi in this term, you depend ukuthi between useful life and this term, which one is the shorter period? You always use the shorter period. And then say it's all like depreciation. So which is called this so this apportion isebenzisa inyanga engaki le asset eliziwe. Kumele sikhawunte nalokho ukuthi sisebenzisa unyaka wonke noma sebenze 6 months.
6.
Let's check here, let's confirm. Basi laphana date from which asset is used iqala ukusebenza ngoJanuary unyaka uphela ngoDecember. So isebenze how many months?
6 months.
Iqala ukusebenza ngoJanuary, January to December.
12 months.
Isebenze the whole year. Just check in information njengoba sinikeziwe singa assume. So napla the date from which asset is used ilenenye le ibe high to the 6 months. Now sesiyi-machine le esifilize under finance lease. So le isebenze from January till December. So isebenze the whole year. There's no need to this apportion. So start i-depreciation yonyaka wonke. So kusho ukuthi uma divide laphana i-total esitholayo i-depreciation yonyaka wonke kuyona vele sidinayo. So phuma baningi la.
86,607 akazi noma sorround off ngoba kuno 5 ngale kusho ukuthi mashwa amfuzo ukuthi 8.
Okay, so mase round off sizothi 8 so 86608.
Yeah, masorround off.
Yes, so yona depreciation le yonyaka wonke. So size income statement. So income statement, do we add or subtract depreciation?
Minus.
Separate.
Yeah, depreciation expense depreciation. So we're gonna subtract depreciation ka 86,608. And le angithi sithele lenenye i-asset le ngaphansi kwa lease asi-own leyo asset siyayi-rent and pay. So lapho thina sithatha si-account for i-rent esiyikhokha ngenyanga ka 3.5 over the leased asset ngaphansi kwama-operating lease. So asi-depreciate leya. Esi-depreciate-ayo ile esinayo under finance lease because leyo sisuke sesine-ownership over yona. So yona esi-depreciate-ayo. So now sesiyathola-ke the correct profit before tax. So noma sesi-adjusted, noma sesenzile ama-adjustment for ama-leases. So now sesithola the adjusted profit before tax. So adjusted profit before tax is about how much? So 650 minus zonke lezi ezinye ngoba zingama-expense.
501034.
501034. Okay, so this is our PPT. Okay, guys, asale sesenza ama-journal entries khona sizophelelwa isikweletu. So asenza ama-journal entries before siyokwenza-ke i-tax computation. So because yonke into esiyidinga for ama-journal entries isinayo lapha phambi kwethu. So masenza ama-journal entries sizoqala si-journalize for ngiyakhumbula ukuthi sikhokhile 100,000 i-deposit. So masikhokha imali yaphuma ebank. So should you gonna credit to bank and then sizodebita in weskhokha deposit. So you debit deposit and we credit to bank. So noma again siphinde sakhokha ama-direct cost khona into ethi izolokhu ingabi yinto. So siphinde again sidebite imali esiyikhokhile for ama-direct cost. So i-deposit esiyikhokhile beku-100,000. Then ama-direct cost esiwayinkerishile 60,000. So isiyonke-ke imali esiyikhokhile ephuma ebank for i-deposit no-direct cost kube 160,000. So this is bank 160,000. So ama-entries lawa okhokhwa. So i-narration yakho la izothini deposit and direct cost payment. So kuzoba i-narration yalapha ya. Then sekumele si-recognize-ke our assets. So i-assets le esiyilizile esine-ownership over yona for those 6 years esiyilize yona sizoyidebita leyo asset leyo. So you debit i-asset yethu yini i-machine AA if I'm not mistaken. Machine AA. Or umuthanda futhi lapha ungasho ukuthi rights of use of assets. So right of use of the asset. So we-machine lesidebitayo sithe ivelu yale machine iwumalini. So sidetermine nithi total yakhona. So i-total nanti yalaphaya u-519,645. So 519,645. 519,645. So yona vele asset. So lo 519 wakhiwa yini? So you're gonna credit ama-amounts akhanda lo 519 lo. So kune-lease liability. So i-lease i-expense on it. So lease liability. So I'm expecting increase on the credit side. Lease liability. Lease liability 359,645. Then again, it's credit because included in that 519 is deposit. So you debit the deposits 100,000. And the last one, you credit included in this 519 to 60,000, the direct cost. Direct cost 60,000. Then now your debits useyalingana no credits side. So yona entry le esiyenzayo ukunakhuza yona entry esiyenzayo le uku-recognize the leased assets. Siyamthanda?
Yeah.
Okay, then apheleleke la khona amanye ama-entries ekumele siwenze njengalena nje. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi kwi-income statement si-recognize kwi-income statement si-recognize i-interest finance cost. So i-interest expense. So expenses are recognized our debit side. So you debit finance cost for 2021. So finance cost 22 is 41,359. So finance cost below it's in income statement, it's in Tatalephi, it's in Tatalapaya with amortization table. And then sibe ne angisakhumbula lapha ukuthi sine lo nakho lo 359 645 isikweletu lesi that is liability the balance esiyowishayo ye lease esizoyikhokha over the next 6 years. But ithe makuphela lo nyaka lesi sikweletu bese sinciphile le balance bisinciphile ngoba isuke from 349 okuyi opening balance i-closing balance bise iwu 321. Angisakhumbula sithele balance incishiswa i-capital portion. So kusho ukuthi i-capital portion i-reducer the sikweletu. So uma sincipha isikweletu sisenze njani? Siyasdebita noma siyascredit ukuncipha kwesikweletu. So we're gonna debit lease liability because the lease liability was reduced because of the capital portion SE-cooking. So we reduce the liability, lease liability. So lease liability, capital portion there, I see cooking the malini. Lonyaka, loga 2021, ega 38. So I need to be so now let them call my and yakhumbula ukuthi sifike sathi opening minus lo lokho sekhoza ukuthi sikwento sinciphe. So i-capital portion yasinciphisa isikoloto. So 38,641. 38,641. And then how much are we gonna credit? So what's credit? Angithi umu add la uthi 41,359. 38,641 kuzophuma 80,000 or installment. So lama installment masiwakhokha kuzo-affecteka ibhenki angithi. So this is bank as in creditayo. We were paying the annual installment sika 80,000 because now over 8 laba boy2 they should give you 80,000 laba boy2. Then narration yakho la izothini payment of annual installment. So that will be your narration. So angisakhumbula ngitheni kweni izolo ngithe installments yakho lesiya 30,000 ikhandiwa i-interest kanye ne-capital portion. And then sekusele the last one i-depreciation. You have to generalize for depreciation kanye nale ya lease operating lease 21,000. So asiqale nge-depreciation. So ngicela uqhubekela la eceleni. So i-depreciation i-entry yakhona siyayazi you debit expense depreciation and your credit accumulated depreciation. So depreciation nanti lapha 86,608. So siphinde futhi si-credit again i-depreciation. So debit depreciation 86,608. So their entry izoma kanje yaya. Bese siza kule ya 21,000. So this is an expense. No 21,000, no 3.5 usukhokhe for 6 months, it's an expense. So ama operating leases wabuya nje ama expense. General expense. So sizoyithini entry lapha ya. Ama expense siyawa debit, so you debit the lease expense and you credit. So sikhokhile ngithi lo 21,000 no 3.5 about 6 sibakhokhile so sale 21,000. So le mali besikhokhi iqhamuka ebank. So you credit bank. How much in expense is increased 21,000 and in 21,000. So guys, you want my entries here now. Ikhona mhlawumbe confuse ayo ngiphinde ngichaze kulama entries eseswenzile. So usho ukuthi amanye amazwi sesimphendulile esimenzile nayo le part. So sesiyenzile le part bethi provide journal entries for 31st December 2021. So account for befuna ama operating list nasesenze wonke ama entries e-finance list sasesenza ne-entry operating list. So sesikhavile le part. So asibuyele back here ku-income tax yethu lokuyona besikade siyenza kahle ngokomthetho. So ku-income tax, okay, before ngiyekho ukhona umbuzo la? Sinawo umbuzo.
Hayi okwamanje.
Okay, so kwamanje awukho kusho ukuthi asihlabele phambili. Siyokwenza i-test computation. So sesitholile ke profit yethu correct ukuthi 501,034 but noma mhlawumbe ngikukhumbuzane kancane indaba ze deferred tax. Okay, noma ngizochaza isiyenza la. That's a service cut. So uma kuthiwa calculate tax expense kumele ucompile computation. So tax computation angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi uma senza the tax comp siqala ngokudisclose the profits before tax. So profits before tax ilesi itholile esithi i-correct ka 501 034. So yona profit esoyidisclose. Now le profit izomele siyi-correct because siyazi ukuthi i-method esiyisebenzisa for accounting purposes iyenzeka so ama-method esetshenziswa for accounting purposes kuyenzeka ahluke from ama-method asetshenziswa u-SARS for tax purposes. So lokho kugcine ku-create ukuthi sibe nama-temporary differences because ama-temporary differences abakhona if i-method esiyisebenzisa ka-accounting i-differ from i-method esiyisebenzisa kwa-tax. Uma ngikwenzela i-example kwa-accounting sizo-deducta i-depreciation ngoba senze income statement ukuze sithole lo 501 simayinaze i-depreciation. But uSARS akayi-recognize i-depreciation. But uSARS recognize ini i-wear and tear. So kusho ukuthi now sesizoba nomehluko because i-method esebenzisa accounting ayifani naleya ka-tax. So yona into ke esibukayo leyo kuma-temporary differences. So kunama-section engizowachaza la e-tax ekubalulekile ukuthi wazi. So ukuze sicalculate i-tax expense kumele siqale sithole temporary differences. Temporary differences. So bese sishilo ukuthi what accounting we use depreciation. So kusho ukuthi calculate le PPT le sideducte i-depreciation ebeku 86 0 ebeku 86,608 if I'm not mistaken. Let's see check kodwa bengithi ngiyibambile. So nansi lapha depreciation 86,608 bese minusile ukuze sithole leya profit. So now since sazi ukuthi uSARS akayideduct noma akayi-allow i-deduction ye-depreciation. So lo 86,606 mase u-reverse kumele senze njani? Do we add it back noma siyawu-subtract if isi-reverse leya depreciation? Mind you ibikade deductiwe lapha ukuze kuphumele PPT. So mase si-reverse what do we do? Add back or subtract?
Add back.
So we add back the depreciation. Very good. So kule question ke uSARS akasinikezanga akukho labasitshela khona. Mhlawumbe if bekutshelile ukuthi SARS allows for i-deduction ye-wear and tear bese bekunika information ukuthi wear and tear then kuzo calculate wear and tear bese kuyiyona ko oyi-deductayo because uSARS u-allow i-deduction ye-wear and tear but kule question abasitshelanga lutho nge-wear and tear. So kusho ukuthi nje uSARS akayi-deduct noma akasinikeze allowance yokudeducta this leased asset. Okay, then sibuye back ke. Senze i-amortization table. And we amortization table sithole i-interest over finance cost. Finance cost. So into kumele uyazi le finance cost esiyithola lapha kwi-amortization table le interest esicharge-wayo uSARS akayi-allow i-deduction yaleya interest. So ngizokutshela khona manje ukuthi uSARS yini ayi-allowayo ukuthi siyi-deduct. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi kade sicalculator lo 501,034 siphinde samayinaza i-finance cost bese thebe beku 41 something. So interest expense esimayinazile beku 41,359. 41,359 bese imayinazile. So uSARS akayi-allow i-deduction yale interest le on list assets. So futhi nayo mase reverse we always add it back. Lezi zinto uSARS asuke ngayi-allow ukuthi siyi-deduct uma sesenza i-tax computation siyayi-reverse lezo zinto. So i-depreciation is not deductible. Finance cost under ama-lease finance lease leyo finance cost noma leyo interest esicharge yona uSARS akayibuki as i-deduction akayivumeli ukuthi siyi-deduct. So nayo siyayi-reverse. And then umbuzo kusuthi yiziphi kanti izinto uSARS esizokhona ukuyi-claima for tax purposes? Mapha ama-allowances esizokhona ukuwa-claima for tax purposes. So ukuze sazi-ke ukuthi mapha ama-allowances kuzomele sazi u-section angiqondile ukufundisa i-tax but kumele ngiyi-explain le. Kuzomele sikhumbule u-section 11A. That is general deduction formula. As I believe sonke siyenzile i-tax before. General deduction formula. So ama-allowances uSARS azivumelayo ukuthi siwa-deductayo ilama allowances amitha ama-section ka-11A. So athina ama-requirements ka-section 11A. So number 1, carrying on a trade. Number 2, expenditure or loss. Number 3, actually incurred. Number 4, during the year of assessment. During the year of assessment. Number 5, in the production of income. Production of income. Number 6, exclude receipts. Exclude receipts and accruals of capital nature. So these are requirements emele abe satisfied ukuze kusarsi ezovumela ukuthi senze i-deduction. So angithi guys siyazi ukuthi ama-deductions are created at tax benefit, because if you deduct whatever oyideductayo kwi-assessment yakho, lokho kuzo-reduce your taxable income. Ama-deduction are creating tax benefits because I reduce the taxable income, and we know ukuthi the lower the taxable income, the lower the tax you pay. But the higher the taxable income, the higher the tax you pay. So ilama uyayi-restrict-ke ukuthi abantu kuma-assessments wabo aba-deduct noma yini. So uya-check-a ukuthi lama-deduction owaclaimayo ukureduce your taxable income yakho ayawamitha ama-requirement ka-section 11A. So uSARS uthi-ke you can claim ama-deduction under section 11A for ama-businesses if you are carrying on a trade. So if you are running on a business, so obviously Lana, this is a manufacturing company, they are running a business. And as a result of running your business, there are expenses, expenditure or losses that you have incurred. So uSARS check out as a result of running your business, akhona nama expenses or incurred, akhona nama expenditure owenzile to run your business. If the answer is yes, then we uyaqhubeka uclaim those deductions. Bese siya check ukuthi lawo deductions wa incurred during the assessment, obviously valid zobe during the assessment. Bese siya check ukuthi ngabe are in the production of income yini na lawo expenses or incurred. So incurred kwakho lawo expenses more related than the income we produce. So for an example, if you're taking inventory for 10,000, if we take inventory because you are running a business, you're going to sell inventory. So you are carrying on a trade and you spend inventory 10,000. So it's an expenditure and you have incurred that expenditure during the assessment. So now inventory will produce an income. You're going to sell inventory and then local generate income. So the expenditure on your inventory, it is in the production of income. So you have requirements that's section 11A. So whatever amount we spend in invent, deduct. So now as is the case here, we have leased the assets. So the reason is lease the assets is because we are running a business and that asset will be used in the business. It's a chain, it's a manufacturing process. So we are carrying on a trade. So according to my expenditures, obtain the asset. We pay the deposit, we pay the direct cost, and every year we pay our installments. Those are expenditures, and we have paid them. So actually, these expenditures they've been incurred during the assessment, and are they in the production of income? Yes, and so machines because this is all produce ama products eswenzayo then so wasidayisa bese sithole income. So uSARS allow ukuthi deduct ama expenditures eswa incurred, not this depreciation and finance cost. So kusho ukuthi ama deduction esingawa claim from uSARS sispendile 100,000 ukuze sithole ilease yale machinery. So that is an expenditure actually incurred. So uSARS angithi uyakhumbula that is calculator i-profit before tax ngoba entry accounting lo 100,000 so include them we value assets, right of use. But uSARS yena akayingeni leyo treatment noma leyo adjustment le wazi ukuthi 100,000 because we-expenditure into esingayenza is to deduct or claim leyo allowance le as a part of our deduction wethu to reduce the taxable profit. So we SARS will allow us to deduct the deposit because this is an expenditure, it's incurred. So SARS will allow us to deduct the 100,000. On for any expenditures incurred in connection of a machine, we paid a direct cost. So another expenditure we paid for a direct cost. So we claim their deduction there 60,000. On for any expenditure. During the year 2021, we paid 80,000 installment. That is an expenditure because we pay 80,000 every year. So siklemela lo sesukhokhile already. So laba bani 80,000 esoba 2022, 2023 up to 2026 sizobaklema ngeminyaka yakhona mase kufika ama period abo. So thina ngoba sakabakhokhi sibakhokha ngama period abo. So thina installment esayikhokhile ka 2021 oku 80,000. So installment lease installment so we have incurred the expenditure 80,000. So yona entry yele uSARS azoyivumela ukuthi sibe nayo. So u-21,000 asikwazi ukuklema futhi cause angithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi u-21,000 lo operating lease already bese sivele siwu-deductile ukuze sole profit. Already le lease expected for operating lease lo 6 months times 3.5 ku-21,000 already usu-deductiwe kuleya profit. So kusho ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi siphinde siyo-deduct again cost. Bese sikwenzile vele ku-income statement lokhu ka-21,000 okungenye ama-expenditure. So already vele lo 501 usune-effect yaleya deduction ka-21,000 for lease for operating lease. So angabe masihambisana yini? Futhi ningizwela kude. So maningezwa ningasabi ukusho sophinde sichaze ukuthi lena ke sifaka ne-party ye-tax. Ingakho ngithi angiqale mhlawumbe ngi-highlighthele lapha ya section 11A because ama-section abalulekile lawa. Section A of i-Tax Act no section 11A ama-act abalulekile. Uma ufunda accounting kuyaphoqa ukuthi uwazi, especially mase kuziwa indaba zoma-deferred tax. So okay, so manje sesoshaya yonke ke lento le sithole the difference, the temporary difference. So ngicela ungishayele i-calculator yakho.
Sorry, ngisacela ukuphazamisa kancane. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi i-finance cost uyithole kanjani u-41,359?
Simthathe kwina-course kwi-amortization yethu. So ngiyalapha kwi-amortization. I-finance cost, i-interest leya bese-calculate-ile izolo kwi-amortization. So kuyi-interest leya esi-calculator at an implicit rate ka-11.5. Angiyakhumbula ukuthi izolo besithatha the opening balance sithanze ngaloya bese phuma i-interest yakulowo nyaka. So le i-interest yangonyaka ozayo lamanye ama-balance asiwadingi for 2021. If besenza for 22 bese sebenzisa leya interest leya. But isi 2021 so sibu interest esi-increase ngo-2021 esithathwe ngo-2021. So suthathe lapha kwi-nakho kwi-amortization table.
Alright, ngiyabonga.
All right. Then shayini total about temporary differences. Let's say positive is positive, let's say negative is negative. Kuphuma ba?
112,033 rand.
Positive noma negative?
Negative.
Okay, balekile ukuthi sikunothe lokho. 112
033.
So now sesithatha ke le profit esinayo siminus lo temporary differences ngoba kume negative kume positive uzoba add by2 lapha. Then lokho kuzobe sekusinikeza ke the taxable profit or umuthando washo ukuthi taxable income. Taxable profit. So iyomalini ke profit and taxable. $501,034 minus 112,033.
389,001.
389,001. 001. Then let's calculate the current. Sancha bona usuyakwazi ucalculate current tax. So current tax uthatha the taxable profit to multiply the tax rate. So 389,001 times 28%. Mamalini current tax.
1089.20.
1089.20 108 and 20. So you're not current tax there. So segment is calculated at deferred tax. So guys, the deferred tax when I see calculator on temporary differences. So deferred tax you take temporary differences wako 112,033 times 28%. Mama. $112,033 times 28%.
31,369.
81.
369.
369. So uzothola again tax expense. Uzothola tax expense uyaba-add laba boyi-2 kodwa akusikho ukuthi uhlezi uba-add ucheck la angithi yakhumbula ngakuchazela i-relationship between the taxable amount and the tax amount. So u-taxable amount wethu la temporary difference izobe negative. If u-temporary difference negative kusho ukuthi i-tax esicalculate kuleyo negative balance izoba positive. So ngamanye amazwi usho ukuthi if uno-temporary differences or positive then the deferred tax wakho uzoba negative, uzoba kuma-bracket. So low positive because lona negative. That's the relationship between the taxable amount and the tax amount in negative relationship. So if one is positive, the other one is negative. So sizoba add laba boyi-2 kuma ba i-tax expense. Sikhawulezise.
140,289.
And 4289. Thank you. So sesiqedile ke nathi tax expense le bifunakala. Sesingakhona ukuyoqedela our income statement. So sesingakhona ukuyiqedela. Ngisena space. So ngehlise lo. So masiqedela income statement yethu angisakhumbula ukuthi besishiye lapha na kwi-PPT. Besishiye kwi-profits before tax. So now sesinayo the tax expense. So sesizoba inaza the tax expense. So tax expense ile expect ukuthola ka 140,289. And sekuphuma ke profit for the year. Ukuthi yabona ukuthi manje awufiki lapha la kwi-PPT uthatha i-profits before tax utimes ngo-28%, but sekumele uqale uyokwenza i-tax computation. Khona because i-tax computation yona izokunikeza the correct tax expense. So now usuthi ke lo PPT minus the tax expense as per i-tax computation yakho. Sekuphuma the profit for the year. So imali profit after tax.
350,245.
300 and Pindela.
250,745.
350,745.
350,745.
Okay, so natia ukuthi nje into yami isiminyene ndawonye la. Okay, so income statement ethi yaphela ke lapha ya, because vela sinabo ama other comprehensive income asikho, but ungaqhubeka just for disclosure purposes ubhale lapha ezansi other comprehensive income ufake unil bese ufaka total comprehensive income kuzobuya yena leya total cause law plus nil kuzoba 350,745, but iphela kanje income statement yethu sisahambisana. Okay, so I hope mhlambe angijimi kakhulu. Then asizwa bathi asicalculate deferred tax balance. Already sesinayo deferred tax. But indlela we calculate ke right, so nansi already deferred tax yethu lapha yana u31,369. But imethod esisebenzisayo ile sibiza nge-statement of financial position. So deferred tax balance deferred tax balance for 2021. So sebenzisale le method esibiza nge-statement of financial position method. So la sizoba nama carrying amount, so CA carrying amount, sibe ne tax base, TP umele tax base, sibe no temporary differences, TP, sibe no deferred tax, the same calculator at 28%, and like the name is always a state out is no DTA or DTL. Or DTA or DTL. So masenza lena khuza ke le table leli siya check ama assets wethu nama liabilities. So i-asset esinayo la ile silizile umachine, i-asset esilizile umachine EA, the leased asset. So ithini carrying amount i-asset esilizile. So ithi siyazi carrying amount ukuthi sithola kanjani. So CA carrying amount, yes, it cost
Minus accumulated depreciation.
minus accumulated correct depreciation. So the asset esilizile sithe cost yayo imalini. Bekuba 350 bakonje. The right of use let's calculate of the assets. Nakho
515.
519.
Yes.
So yona cost le assets esilizile after considering all amounts that we had to pay for 70 assets. So 519, by the 545 or something. 519 ba?
645.
Don't pay that?
519645.
245.
645.
Oh, 6. Okay. 645. Minus, uyakhumbula ngithi ukuthi during the year iluze value depreciateile nansi depreciation lesireversile lapha ya. So say minus depreciation like 60608. So kusho ukuthi ekupheleni konyaka ka 2021 ibisithini carrying amount after deducting value eluzile during the year. So low minus versus to carrying amount. 519 645 minus 86 608. Kupuma
433037.
037. So you're not carrying, yes, you're not carrying amount there. This is 433037. Then tax base is now your tax base here fana ne carrying amount, but the tax base so we fana no carrying amount what the system is calculator ne method ya what tax. So lana sithe uthi usabsala shongo lutho ngoma wear and tear. So if mhlawumbe besine wear and tear besizothatha the cost price si minus the wear and tear allow usabs as deduction bese phuma tax base, but usabs akasinike ezi allowance ya wear and tear so asizokuba na tax base. And then temporal difference la usuthi CA minus TB carrying amount minus the tax base. Phuma still is about 433037. Now we have to state ukuthi ngabe sine deferred tax asset noma deferred tax liability. So in akhuza ke principle yethu ithi uma sidila nemachine asset le. So for ama asset if I carrying amount is greater than the tax base, then the difference will be liability. So we follow my brackets indicate what this is a liability. So if the carrying amount is greater than the tax base, we're gonna have a difference DTL, deferred tax liability. So now let difference in the multiply 28% gonna see solid tax yeah let difference there. 433 times 28%. Who might deferred tax liability gamali?
121,250.
121 to 50. So it's deferred tax and if I my brackets. So we are stating lapha this is DTL. So uma udila nama assets once carrying amount yakho yaba ngaphezulu kwama tax tax base then on DTL. Okusho ukuthi if carrying amount is less than tax base uzoba no DTA. Then yona assets esinayo le size kuma liabilities. Kuba liabilities is in the lease liabilities. So lease liability balance yakhona ngo2021 uzothola ku amortization table. So now the amortization table. How much is the balance year lease liability in 2021?
321,000.
Yes. So you always take a closing balance, not the opening balance. So and it is a statement of financial position account for a deferred tax liability. So master the statement of financial position we know in the statement of financial position sifaka ama closing balance. So now uthatha lease liability a closing balance which is 321,004. 321,004. And now we are able to see the calculation for accounting purposes or tax purposes. So the calculation amortization is for accounting purposes. So all our calculation is for accounting purposes and then a carrying amount. So 321,004. Then equal calculation is for tax purposes? No. So it's different. Yala is about 321,004. Now maybe as you liability and my assets. So it's going to my assets. Uma liabilities kuzoba sizokwenza the opposite. Angithi sithenga assets if I carrying amount is greater than the tax base sizoba no DTL. Kusho ukuthi mase ngama liabilities ke lawo if I carrying amount ama liability ngaphezulu kwa tax base then it difference kuzoba DTA. So this one is DTA because in a cause ama liabilities are opposite ama assets. So yona nje lelula yokuyibamba. So more as ama assets ama liabilities kuba opposite kwa yalokho kwama assets. So now 321,004 times 28% come how much?
89,881.
89 what? 39.
89.
Oh,
89. 881.
881. So this is what? This is DTA, deferred tax assets. So now since you're going to that deferred tax balance. So uma usufuna that deferred tax balance uza nje kule column ema deferred tax naka ama deferred tax la. Ushaye the difference between laba boy two. 120 negative 121 to 50 minus 89, I mean negative 121 to 50 bese uthi positive 89,881 kuzophuma negative la, negative ba umthola
31,361.
369. So angisho yabona ukuthi ama liabilities are greater than ama assets, okusho ukuthi still le balance isayini DTL, so we still have the deferred tax liability balance. So lo 31 angisho yabona ukuthi kusawuye lo esimthole kwi computation, so kumele correspond into yakho la. So nangu yalo 31 simtholile kwi computation 369. Uma sesenza ke the statement of financial position method to account for deferred tax, again isaphuma. Kuyabonakala?
Yeah, but
All right, then the last part, this is the yonke into la. So the last part is disclosure, bese siyenze i disclosure income statement. Sekumele senze i disclosure ye balance sheet. So lento bese sizoyi disclose kanjani ke kwi balance sheet. So yona party phela esele le. So income statement angisho yakhumbula nje lapha phezulu. So i disclosure income statement. Nanti bese siyenzile ukuthi income statement bese so minus of finance cost, all these expense of depreciation and so it disclosure income statement. So now into sesingayenza disclosure balance sheet then sesiqedile. Limited acts of statement of financial position as at 31st December 20. So bezo affect ama assets la. So assets section ngaphansi kuka non-current assets. Non-current assets isizoba ne-asset yethu ku-machine AA. Umuthanda futhi ungasho ukuthi i-PE ukuthi machine vele ngaphansi kwa property plant and equipment. So machine AA. So angithi kompama assets so record at the carrying value. So carrying value vele bese sitholile sithatha i-cost ka 319,644 si minus i-depreciation ebu 86 angile calculation siyenze la. So nansi i-carrying value. So ile carrying value le esiyifunayo. So sithola ngokuthi sithi cost minus depreciation iwu 8608. Yes. So we balance sheet kumele ukwazi ukuthi ama assets we balance sheet so record at their carrying value. And then sicelo usikhiphele u433 carrying value 433,037. Then sesiqedile enye part ebizo affecteka la ama liabilities. So liabilities section. So kuma liabilities bekuzothinteka non-current liabilities. So ngaphansi kwama non-current liabilities sino lease liabilities. So we have lease liability. So lease liability kumele ube careful ke la. Kumele ube careful ngokuchazela uyibone lento leyo, kumele ube careful kuyona. So i-closing balance yethu iwumalini ye lease liability. So start closing balance iwu 321,004. And then siyaza ngithi ukuthi next year le balance le izophinda inciphe iyohlala kubani? Iyohlala ku 277,918. So yini ezodala ukuthi inciphe le balance? Because next year we're going to pay capital portion okuyona reduce isikweletu. So angisho yakhumbula ukuthi if isikweletu sizo maybe i-liability yethu sizoyikhokhela within 12 months, leyo liability ibe isiba disqualified ukuthi siyifake ngaphansi kwama non-current, sihamba soyifaka kuma current liability. So njengamanje si December 2021 and lower 43 ya capital portion soyikhokha ngo December 2022. So musuka December 2021 uya December olandelayo. So this is the 31st. Kusho noma manje kufanele ukuthi singakusese ku January 2022 kuyafika December 12 months. Kusho ukuthi le portion ka 43,000 is due to be paid within in 12 months time. So this is due to be paid in 12 months time. So any portion of liability that is payable in 12 months time or within 12 months, then the liability ayisasiyona non-current, isizoba current. So into sizoyenza-ke sizothatha lo 321 si-minus 43,085. So now my workings wethu, the balance esinayo with closing for 2021 is 321,001. But we know ukuthi khona i-portion esizoyikhokha to reduce this balance, this liability esizoyikhokha in 12 months time. So leyo portion payable in 12 months time sesiyayi-remove ngaphansi kwama non-current. So say ubani lowo bekuzoba 40, the capital portion yango 2022 43,085. So 43,085. So we subtract 43,085. And we go to the salary balance lapha how much? That 277,919. Lo got the same sheet ukuthi balance yango 2022 present balance 2022. Now ngenxa yokuthi ke lo 43 simkhiphile kuma non-current kumele sizomfaka kuma current because use payable within uyakhumbula umehluko between ama non-current and current. Ama non-current is a debt are due to be paid ngale ka 12 months. Then once isikweletu kwathiwa sesi-payable in 12 months, isikweletu sesingena ngaphansi kwama current liabilities. So now my current liabilities is over no current portion of lease liabilities. Current.
Sorry, sir. In
Yes?
lease liability, I see you 321,004.
004. Thank you. Yona 004. Okay, so lo nakhuza lo 43 si-minus lapha 43,085 sizomfaka siyamkhipha kuma non-current simlethe kuma current because lo 43 siyazi ukuthi uzokhokhwa in the next 12 months, within the next 12 months. So usuza kuma current simfaka is current portion of lease liability. Of lease liability. 43,085. Then sibetile. So we're done. So you're not disclosure. So you understand?
Yebo, sasiyenza kahle. So
Yeah,
bese sibona ukuthi amaphutha.
Okay, all right. So uma disclosure kwi-balance sheet ilento nje uzokuyenza. And then income statement isibonile disclosure yakhona. Ukwazi ucalculate net test computation. So wazi ama journal entries. Ne-amortization table iwukhiye ke because into eningi ozenzayo zidependele kutheni amortization yakho uyenze correct. So kumele ungenzi ama-mistake amortization because once mistake la nama-balances akho asezoba wrong. So usho ukuthi lithama usuwa-transfer eyako income statement or balance sheet vele usu-transfer ama-amounts wrong. So kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyadibelela ukuthi amortization table yakho uyenza correct. Okay guys, so sizoma la. I think sizobuya sibuyele ngo-past 12. Because already seku-10 sizophumula sibuye ngo-past 12 sesizobona nenenye i-module ka-course. So mhlawumbe sophusha from past 12 till 3 kanje. Then sithathe i-break siphinde sibuye ntambama. Sazocheck i-schedule angazi noma ugesi uzohamba namhlanje but ngizocheck i-schedule. So asibuyeni ngo-12:30 ke. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Sure.